At least it's aluminum. Okay. I forgot to do an intro, so I'm doing one after the fact and all the work's done. That's fine, because I'm still working. It's only like 6 and it's pitch black outside. But today, big plans. Not really. A while ago, I ordered a Permaseal kit and ARP head studs. That's the first thing I ordered before the motor was even shipped out yet. Because I knew I was going to need these. I didn't have to reseal it. I want to reseal it. It is a not twin. Used to VG. Is a turbo reseal kit, which is A-OK in here. I believe slightly thicker head gasket, which is what I want, so we can fit a little bit more boost in there. But today, I'm stripping the block fully down, all the way to what you can see here. I'm gonna have you guys follow me along the way. Reseal it, paint the block. Cool color in my opinion. It's the same wheels I painted my Star Sharks. And yeah, I didn't do an intro, so it's kind of gonna go to like right into it. So we're down to bare block. We just got back from the store. We got some paint. I got some other paint and stuff. To make this a little special, just got to remove the accessories, clean off the carbon deposits we have in all of these, which aren't really that bad. Some of them a little bit, but we'll make it look brand new, get all the gasket off, and make it look like an engine again. Get all this big gunk off. That's the best we're gonna get it. Looks new to me. That's what matters. Alright, we got the block. We have the block all cleaned up, good to go. About to mask everything off, and then we're gonna paint it. What color? You'll have to wait and see. I taped it off the best I could. I took the oil pan off. I was like, oh yeah, I still need to paint the block. So I took the bags and tape, and I have it sandwiched with the oil pan back on. I just don't want too much overspray. It's fine. It's gotta get cut and loaded anyways, and repaint it. So let's do a. It's just a primer. Don't worry, I will be going back and chasing all these threads. And we'll let that dry and come back in like 5-10 minutes and do a second coat. So we got a couple coats on. We're letting this dry for about 10 or 15 minutes. We'll do one more final coat and then we get to start the color. So it's going to be very hard for you guys to tell. It's going to look like black. There's no clear coat or anything. We're about to add some little extra flakes in there. And then once we clear coat it and I get a light on it, you guys will actually see. But for now, just looks like a nice black engine block. Been a while. Paint takes a long time to dry. We have the primer, the base coat, the flake, and the clear coat. The clear coat's drying. I gotta do one more coat. Let me get my phone out, because the camera's gonna do it zero justice, but if you can see, It's gonna look black, but it has a really nice flake in it. It is not perfect by any means, but I guess that's the best way you can see it sparkle. But it's better than what it was. Nice and purty. Now we'll be cleaning all these out one more time, but I did remove almost all, if not all, the carbon deposits on all of them. I do need to clean the surface a little bit more, but then I'll clean it out. I have an air compressor, and we'll put the new head gasket on, which is, where did I put it? Ah, here we go. This guy right here, which is a turbo head gasket. So it's slightly thicker, not by much. Dual metal head gasket. Because I did get a whole Permaseal reseal kit. Everything from the VCT gears up top to spark plugs to even the turbo, which it probably won't fit the turbo I'm getting, but it's fine. Every single gasket I could possibly need is in this kit. That way everything is fresh, new, nice. I don't have to worry about it. Maybe I will. I don't know yet. But it also comes with this awesome paper right here. This didn't come with ARP head studs, which are hiding somewhere. I do have those right here. ARP head studs. But it tells me the torque specs, where I gotta go, what order, all that jazz, which is super, super easy and awesome. So once I get this top cleaned off a little bit more, we'll do that. So, oil pan's back off. I'm going to flip this over nice and quick. That's all the stuff I was cleaning. And then probably should put something underneath it. Each of the area for the head studs, I'm going to spray out with some carb cleaner. I already got them mainly clean and taken care of, but that last little bit of residue. I don't want it hitting the paint either, so get all these out. There we go. Angle it up. This is the last time we get to see in here. Everything is cleaned. Everything looks good. There's no marring or scratches on any of these. Let's slap the head gasket on. Slap the now clean head on. And get it torqued down. So I did the first set. Forgot I wasn't recording, so we'll do the second set together. All I'm doing is taking those guys out, putting them on here in order. I don't know if it matters if they go in the same spot. I'm not an engine builder, but I'm doing it. So just in case, they're going to go exactly where they came from, each and every single little one. So, honestly, super easy. What I've been doing, I'm going to set you guys up on here. And the more, like that. Alright, as long as I don't block it, we're chilling. Really, really complicated, guys. So, there's 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I pick it up. I wiggle it. It comes out. And it goes in its spot. Ta-da! So, I'm gonna knock out the rest of these real quick. And I know. Both you guys and some other people can get the engines for about $200. Which is a lot more than what I paid. But, again, I had to pay for the cargo freight, all the accessories, the wiring loom. They even flashed the ECU for me. BarraZworld.com are some awesome guys. And that's why the price tag is so much larger for me than it is for you guys. We don't have this motor over here. There are some in-state people, but even they charged more than what Barra the World did. I'm talking about the Mafia Racing, whatever their channel or page is, because they already have them over here on stateside and they already did all that stuff. But we got this front, left, right, boom, boom, boom. These are all knocked out. Now I can go on this side and clean up this head, make it nice and pretty, and then we'll put it back on and seal this motor up. Just want them to all get hand started. this to the side. Okay. Alright, that's tight. Almost there. Like I said, when these are done, I'm just going to go back with this and literally just make sure it's all the way down. Getting there. All the way down. Yep. 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 We're just gonna get them down low enough. No force is being applied. I'll go back by hand. Oh, there's already. Cool. Now, according to APR, if I can get this thing off here, hold on. There we go. Or ARP, fucking idiot. It's a different torque setting. It's 30, 60, then 100. Since we're doing studs instead of bolts. And we do have the order we need to do it in. So, starting on 30, I already have it set on 30. I'm going to first snug them all up. Cue up. Cue up. Double check. Oh, see? That's why we double check. Well, we triple check, I guess. Jesus. Okay, cool. That's all of them. Now, the torque spec is going to be the fourth one, right? Yeah. It's going to go 1, 2. What the fuck is 3 at? Oh, okay. Yeah, so for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Cool. This guy. Go all the way to 30. $30. 30. Cool. $11. Up it. Cool. So now we're gonna up it to what did you pretty said? Where's the paper? 60. And we start on number 4. This is first one to 60. Nine, 10. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's continue. The final one, according to ARP, is 100 foot-pounds. According to OEM, 90 degrees. I'm gonna assume it's 100 foot-pounds, but I'm actually gonna look this up. Hold on. We're gonna go to 100. Is this in this bad boy? This is where it gets scary, you know. Start on the 4th stud right here. From 60 to 100. Let's go. Jesus. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. You lock this other wheel. Starting to move. Okay. Jesus Christ. We're getting there, though. Thank God. I'm doing this in the right order. It's going pretty smooth. I say that. Oh my God. 4 more. Oh my God. 2 more. It's the final countdown. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. It's done. The head is on, and it's staying on. It ain't fucking coming off. I do need to reset this back down to 0. All the ARP head studs are in, installed, properly torqued down. We made it through the 30, 60, 100. It's good to go.